So today, we're ranking the 10 best Lexus sedans to buy used, from good to absolutely legendary. We'll cover which Lexus sedan is the most reliable, which model gives you the best value, which years you should target, which engines easily exceed 250,000 miles, and which expensive mistakes you should avoid before buying. Let's get started. Number 10. 2007 to 2012 Lexus LS 460. The LS 460 deserves respect. When new, it represented everything Lexus knew about luxury. Powerful V8, silky smooth ride, whisper quiet cabin, excellent highway comfort. If you spend hours on the interstate, few sedans are more relaxing. The 4.6-liter V8 produces over 380 horsepower while remaining remarkably smooth. The interior still feels premium today. Real wood, soft leather, excellent insulation. But here's why it starts at number 10. Although reliable overall, the LS 460 is far more expensive to own than smaller Lexus sedans. Common age-related repairs include air suspension, control arms, brake actuators, and electronic convenience features. None of these are unusual for a flagship luxury sedan. They're simply expensive. If you buy one with excellent maintenance records, it can still exceed 250,000 miles. Just don't expect Camry ownership costs. Best years: 2010, 2011, 2012. Avoid neglected examples. Number 9. 2014 to 2020 Lexus IS 250. The IS 250 is often overlooked. It looks sporty, drives well, fits easily into city traffic, yet many buyers choose it simply because it's cheaper than an IS 350. That's not always the best decision. Its 2.5-liter V6 is dependable, but the direct injection system can develop carbon buildup over very high mileage, unlike the IS 350's dual injection setup. Enthusiast communities frequently recommend the IS 350 over the IS 250 for this reason. Still, if properly maintained, the IS 250 remains one of the better entry-level luxury sedans. 2015, 2017, 2016. Number 8. 2013 to 2020 Lexus GS 350. Many enthusiasts believe the GS 350 is the perfect Lexus. Why? Because it combines luxury, rear-wheel drive, excellent handling, Toyota reliability, and one outstanding engine. Under the hood sits the legendary 2GR FKS or earlier 2GR FSE V6, depending on year. These engines routinely exceed 250,000 miles with routine maintenance. Unlike German competitors, engine and transmission failures are relatively uncommon when serviced correctly. The downside? Replacement suspension components cost more than the ES. Fuel economy isn't outstanding. Interior technology feels dated by modern standards, but mechanically, it's one of Lexus's finest sedans. Best years: 2015, 2016, 2017. Number 7. 2004 to 2006 Lexus ES 330. This car is legendary. Mechanically, it's extremely simple. Built during an era when Toyota prioritized durability over flashy technology. Powered by the proven 3.3-liter V6, traditional automatic transmission, comfortable suspension, low repair costs, many owners report well over 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance, and used car buyers continue to praise the ES 330 for dependable, low-cost ownership. Weak points? Aging rubber parts, valve cover gasket leaks, timing belt service. Otherwise, it's incredibly dependable. Number 6. 2019 to 2024 Lexus ES 300h. If fuel economy matters, nothing beats this. The hybrid system is shared with Toyota technology proven across millions of vehicles. Real-world fuel economy often reaches 40 to 45 mpg. Maintenance costs remain surprisingly low. Hybrid battery failures remain relatively uncommon, and Toyota Lexus hybrid systems have demonstrated excellent long-term durability. Ideal for Uber drivers, commuters, retirees, high-mileage drivers. Number 5. 2001 to 2003 Lexus LS 430. Ask almost any Lexus technician and they'll smile. The LS 430 has become legendary. Its naturally aspirated 4.3-liter V8 is among Toyota's greatest engines. Smooth, quiet, reliable. The automatic transmission is equally impressive. Owners regularly surpass 300,000 miles, 400,000 miles, sometimes even more. The only real downside: age, rubber bushings, timing belt, suspension wear, electronics, all are expected after 20-plus years. Find one with documented maintenance and you've found one of the greatest luxury sedans ever built. Number 4. 2014 to 2020 IS 350. This is where things get exciting. Unlike the IS 250, the IS 350 uses Lexus's outstanding 3.5-liter V6 with both direct and port fuel injection, helping minimize carbon buildup concerns while delivering stronger performance. More than 300 horsepower, excellent reliability, rear-wheel drive available, sporty handling, comfortable interior. Many enthusiasts call it the Japanese BMW without BMW repair bills. Maintenance is straightforward. Transmission durability is excellent. Interior quality remains impressive today. Recommended years: 2017, 2018, 2019. Number 3. 2013 to 2018 Lexus GS 350. Yes, the GS appears twice, because these later years deserve special recognition. This is arguably the most balanced luxury sedan Lexus has ever built. Spacious, powerful, reliable, comfortable, fun. The naturally aspirated V6 avoids turbocharger complexity. Owners consistently praise these cars for reaching high mileage with minimal major mechanical issues. If you want luxury, performance, reliability without paying LS maintenance costs, the Lexus GS 350 deserves serious consideration. Number 2. 2013 to 2024 Lexus ES 350. If someone asked, "I only want one Lexus sedan recommendation," this would probably be it. Why? Because everything simply works. The 3.5-liter V6 is among Toyota's most proven engines. The transmission is exceptionally dependable. Parts availability is excellent. Maintenance costs remain reasonable. Cabin quality is outstanding. Ride comfort rivals vehicles costing twice as much. It's no surprise the ES consistently ranks among the best luxury midsize cars and is widely regarded as the definitive used Lexus sedan. Best years: 2015, 2017, 2018, 2020, 2021. Number 1. 2007 to 2012 Lexus ES 350. If reliability alone determines the winner, nothing beats it. This generation perfectly balances modern comfort, affordable pricing, excellent parts availability, outstanding reliability, simple maintenance, low ownership costs. Powered by the famous 2GR-FE V6, one of Toyota's greatest engines ever built, routine maintenance includes oil changes, spark plugs, coolant, transmission service. That's about it. Hundreds of thousands of owners have proven these cars can easily surpass 250,000 to 300,000 miles when properly maintained, and they remain a favorite recommendation among mechanics and long-term Lexus owners. Even today, you can buy one for a fraction of its original price, yet still enjoy premium comfort, exceptional reliability, and luxury that rivals much newer vehicles. For most buyers, this is the best Lexus sedan to buy used. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that offers incredible reliability, low ownership costs, and the ability to rack up hundreds of thousands of miles, it's hard to beat a well-maintained Lexus.